Hello everyone. Uh, as we all know, BTC crashed 53.9%, right? We can clearly see it here. Uh, this was a huge correction. As we all know, the huge one, 53.9%, right? There was blood all over the street. Many margin account, many leverage account got liquidated. Your portfolio may have been halved. Like you had $1,000, now you have only $500, right? That was a huge correction. Yeah, huge one. But I'm still very bullish about the market. I still think that we are in the bull market. It's not bear market, right? Yeah, you may have been thinking that I might be mad. The 200-day MA has been broken, as we can clearly see it here. Just a minute, right? 200-day moving average. Yeah, you may have been thinking that I might be mad. 200-day moving average has been breached. This is bear market, but I still don't think that this is bear market, right? Yeah, the this candle breached the average. We are currently below the 200-day moving average. Yeah, but let me make my point clear. Right. Okay then. Let's move to 4-hour chart, or we can. Yeah, 4-hour chart would be more clear, right? So 4-hour chart. Let's move moving average and let's see. Okay, why I think that still that it is just a correction. It is not a market reversal or trend reversal. It's just a healthy correction. We can call it a healthy correction. 50% correction is not that light and a correction, right? This is a healthy correction, but it's not bear market. Okay, so let's refer to Elliott wave. We all are familiar with the Elliott wave, right? And what and FIB retracements. So okay, okay, let me give you some basic thing about Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Elliott wave pattern is this, that this is wave one, right? Wave two would be corrective one, and this is wave three, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, this is Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. We can see it here. I'll mark that these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Just a minute. This is just a basic of both this pattern and this indicator, right? Yeah, what FIB retracement actually tells. See, FIB is a combination of ratios. Yeah, number. FIB is see, this same old stuff, that FIB is very powerful. That number is all over in the universe. Yeah, we all know that same old stuff. Okay, see how FIB will what FIB actually tells. FIB actually tells that how much the price will retrace, right? Like, or you can tell how much price will correct, right? See, FIB actually tells. See, this is FIB. Yes. So in this, price actually retraced between 0.5 to 0.618 level. See, 0.618 level is the golden line, or you can tell golden ratio. Yeah. When there is a healthy correction, price comes to 0.618 level or between 0.5 level, and then it accumulates and then it bounces back, right? You can say it as a, what to say, like in this level price actually uh, and market actually prepare itself for the next phase, right? So 0.618 is a very important level. Zero point 0.6, I always place my bid in scalping at 0.618. See, actually I place not at this level. I place and a one bid here, one bid here, one bid here, like this. That's a very different topic, right? Sorry for that. um, Yes. So this is what FIB retracement tells, how much market will retrace from the top, right? Percentage wise. Uh, there are lot things. There are many rules. I'll make a separate video for it. Okay. So let's see what chart is telling. Why I think it is a correction. We can see that market is forming Elliott wave pattern, right? This one is wave one. This one is, sorry for that. Wave two, the corrective one. Wave three, wave four, the corrective one. Oh shit! I'm sorry. Just a minute. I double clicked. Yeah. Uh, wave one, corrective one, wave three, wave four, wave five. Right. Let wave four, wave five. Right. Yeah. This, as we can clearly see, BTC successfully formed the sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern of the Elliott wave theory. Right. Now, what happens after? What happens after the formation of wave five? Right. You must be thinking, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern is complete. Now, what will happen next? See, many of you misjudge it. What happens after wave 5? You think that price will only retrace in the reference of wave 4 to wave 5. But this is not what actually happens. Price retraces from the reference of initial point of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the topmost point of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. The initial point is from where the pattern started, which is right here, and the topmost point is right here, right? Top of the wave 5. You can say ATH 6465K and a level as if you were watching the NFBTC price chart, right? You can see it right here. So the price will retrace in reference of this level, right? This whole level. Let me make a wave. Price will retrace in the reference of this level, right? This whole rate. So we can see it like this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, yeah. One thing to notice: price is flirting in 0.5 and 0.618 level, right? You can see it right here. This one is the price, the dotted line, right? Price threw a wick till here, but then it got back to see. One thing should be very clear: price can only retrace till this level and then bounce back. So you can see we all were thinking that this was the support, this was the bottom of this correction. Price actually bounced, but then it faced a resistance here and then boom, right? And boom. So price can only retrace till this level and then also bounce back. It can retrace here, it can retrace here, it can retrace here too. 786. Sometimes price retraces to 0.786%. See, 0.786% is like 78.6% of the wavelength, this length 78 20, right? Yeah, you might be seeing some tweets that BTC has the next support around 25k. See, it's not 25k, it's actually 27.351, which is 0.786 level. See, Hannah, many of crypto traders are thinking that price will come and retest this wick, or maybe go and retest this 0.786 level, accumulate here, and then boom. But I don't think that will happen. See, if no more FUDs come in the market, like other bad news, like the latest bad news which is circulating is that China banned the crypto. See, China has banned crypto many times, right? And this is not a ban. China has reiterated their law, very same old stuff. See, one thing, see, crypto, this is an organizational game, right? One thing you have noticed, Tesla banned uh, uh, Tesla. Uh, what the fuck I'm saying? Sorry. See, Tesla Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla will not accept BTC as payment. Right? Market crashed. Market drastically crashed. Right? After when market was at its crucial support, which was 42k right here. Yeah, this was a crucial support. At that time, the news came that China has reiterated their law. Right? if I'm remembering it right. Just see, actually, I got it wrong. uh, Ch- uh, China's news actually came here, right? But see, this is what media houses play. Organization make FUDs, fake news of market crashing, market crash. Retail investors sell their portfolios, and the organization buy it at cheap price. This is what happens. See, we are not getting in that stuff. We are sticking to the technical analysis, right? So price is actually flirting in this level. What I think will happen next, price will accumulate in this zone, right? Pump dump will happen, and then price will boom, boom. Wait, let me make it wider, right? Yep. So yeah. What I think will happen is this: price is here, right? Price will dump, 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 dump. Retest the support, dump, dump, and then boom, right? Yeah, this pump dump can be more, can be less. See, one thing to be very clear: market has crashed a lot. 50% correction is huge, is huge. So market will take time to recover, right? Market will accumulate in the zone. Market will get ready for the next phase. When market is ready, that this accumulation or getting ready can actually be can take some time, like 5 to 6 days, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe this monthly candle also be a bearish one. But in the long term, if you see a wider picture, like if you see a market after 20 to 25 days, I think that market will bounce, and it will bounce hard, right? This ATH will surely be broken, will surely be broken, right? Yep, this is what I think. By the way, NFA, right? Not financial advice, CZ Binance stuff. So this is it. This is what I think will happen. This is what, yeah. See, uh, according to Illioite wave, it's proved that it's only a correction, right? I also think it's only a correction. It's not a market reversal, or we are not in the bear market, or the same old stuff. And market breaks, this type of news spread. But one thing also, it's your uh, I'm sorry. So yes, this is what I think. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.